Steps to prepare as a first-time home buyer. When it comes to purchasing your first home, there are many things to consider and prepare, but with the right knowledge and guidance, you can make this process stress-free and exciting. First off, you should get pre-approved by a lender. This will help you get an idea of what type of mortgage loan is best suited for your financial situation. It's also important to find out if there are any tax incentives available in your area that could reduce the cost of buying a home. Next, research all of the different types of homes on the market in order to narrow down exactly what style or location fits within your budget. You may need to work with a real estate agent who is familiar with local housing laws or regulations in order to find something that meets all of your needs. Once you have identified potential homes, it's time for some inspections. Have both an interior and exterior inspection done before continuing once your offer is accepted on a property that you really like. Once the house that you like, you start putting together the offer package, which includes contingencies like being able to back out if certain conditions aren't met during escrow, negotiating periods, or appraisal results don't come through as expected. Don't forget about homeowners insurance either. This will protect you from potential disasters like fires or floods down the line. And just like that, congratulations, you did it. Enjoy every moment now as a proud homeowner. Let me know if this helps and comment below if you have any questions about what we just talked about. Of course, follow for more of my real estate tips. I'm Dallas Tung with the Tung Realty Group with Keller Williams Luxury, and thanks for watching my video.